Stop scrolling. If you're 19 or older, this video is for you. This is the reason you're still broke. It's not just about earning, it's about what you're doing wrong. The decisions you're making now will either set you up for financial freedom or keep you trapped in the cycle forever. Stay with me and I'll show you what you're doing wrong, how to fix it, and what's waiting for you on the other side. Let me break this down. Later doesn't exist. Time isn't your friend if you're not using it wisely. Every day you delay saving or investing is another day of lost opportunities for your money to grow. Compound interest works best when you start early. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the sooner it grows big enough to provide shade. You might think, I don't make enough to save. Wrong again. Saving isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. If you can afford to buy snacks, coffee, or impulse purchases, you can afford to save. Even small amounts, when saved consistently, add up over time. Remember, it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Here's the truth. You're underestimating time. The earlier you start, the more powerful your money becomes. Don't let these myths hold you back. Think about it. If every naira you earn leaves your account as quickly as it comes in, you're not building wealth. You're building stress. Living paycheck to paycheck is a dangerous cycle that keeps you vulnerable to any financial shock. You need to pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before you spend on anything else. One job or income stream isn't enough anymore. What happens if that job goes away? Multiple income streams provide security and open doors to financial growth. This could be a side hustle, freelance work, or even passive income from investments like stocks, rental properties, or a small business. Diversify your income like your future depends on it, because it does. That latest phone, designer bag, or night out might feel good in the moment, but what's it costing you long term? Every unnecessary expense is money you could have invested to grow your wealth. The key is balance. Enjoy life, but don't do it at the expense of your financial future. A budget isn't just a spreadsheet. It's a plan for your money. Start by tracking every naira you earn and spend. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. The goal? Spend less than you earn and prioritize saving at least 20% of your income. A good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Don't wait until you have more money to invest. Start small, but start. Look into mutual funds, ETFs, or beginner-friendly apps that make investing easy. Remember, the stock market rewards time, not timing. The longer your money stays invested, the more it can grow. If you don't know where to begin, start learning. It's one of the best investments you'll ever make. This is the hardest but most important step. Say no to unnecessary expenses. Say no to friends who pressure you to spend beyond your means. Say no to instant gratification. Every no is a yes to your future financial stability. Practice discipline. It's the foundation of wealth. Imagine this. You're in your late 20s, living comfortably, debt-free. Your money works for you, not the other way around. You have the freedom to travel, invest in your passions, and help your loved ones. These aren't just dreams. They're achievable realities if you start making the right decisions today. The small sacrifices you make now will pay off tenfold in the future. Financial freedom is a journey, but every step forward brings you closer to a life you control. And if you're 19 or older, your financial future is in your hands. Keep ignoring these truths, and you'll stay stuck in the same place. Start making the right decisions, and your life will transform. So what's it going to be? Drop a comment. What's the one thing you'll start doing differently today? And share this with someone who needs a financial wake-up call. Your future self is waiting. Subscribe for more ways to level up your life.